Hello guys, one of my subscribers asked me on the comments of one of my videos how to get USDC in Base Network on bitget wallets. Easy and simple. What you need to do, just go and open your bitget wallet for that. Now go to your wallet here, select the Base as a network. Now what you need to do, select the USDC that you have on your wallet. So click on it. Now click on swap. Now what you need to do here, just click on switch to select from the top the token that you have on your wallet and have some funds on it. For example, if you have a fund on USDT, but the USDT that you have found on it, it's under the Solana network. Now select the Solana from here as a network, and as you can see, select the USDT. So as you can see, the USDT, it's become under the Solana network. So select the token that you have and select the network that came under that token. So what you need to do here, just go back. As you can see, now here type how much you want to swap, and as you can see, you will be see how much you will be receive of the USDC under the Base network. So now you will be able to have USDC in Base network on your bitget wallet. So if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.